Hello, welcome back to Web Animation 101. In this class, we will be taking a look at arcs. Arcs are an animation principle that are dedicated to curved natural paths of movement. They can be either an arm moving from one side to another, it can be a pendulum, or it can also be an arc like this, where it's a bouncing ball, for example, which is what we'll be doing today. We can combine this with different things. We can make a ball bouncing on its own, or we can do what we're going to be doing, which is squash and stretch. For this one, I have provided the FireAlpaca file. You can download that in the units section. And with that, you have the arc there. You have the arc all sorted there. Although the only thing you need to worry about is the ball itself, which is what we'll be doing. So we start with the ball right here. You can make this any color you want, or any size you want. Just remember that if you want to make sure that it's bouncing, you want to make sure it slows in. And normally this is where this is normally where we did it last time. But what we want to do now, we want to make a bounce. So, and to do that and to make a bounce, we'll do this. Remember, if you don't have enough frames for the animation, just duplicate these, so that way you don't have to redraw them. It's easier than just copying copying the individual one. So arcs are pretty much just these round things, and it's good to have just to have a bit of a guide. You can use this for anything really. Just to have like a little arch here. Let's have another example. Let's make a new one. Let's just draw something simple like a little arm. So we have this arm, and what we plan to do to make it so that his arm moves within this arc. And what you want to do with this is, for this one we won't be doing a you can do this with anything really. You can do this with the arm, you can do this with legs if for a ballerina, for example. But we'll try making it so that this arm moves within the arc. We'll try to make it as good as it can be. So you want to load again. Now you have the arm moving within an arc. So an arc could be like this, or an arc could also be like this. Both these examples will be shared in the unit section, just to get some kind of idea on how you want to do it. That about covers it for arcs today. So we'll see you next time with Web Animation 101.